In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search chats in Claude AI. By the end, you'll be able to quickly find past conversations without scrolling for ages, using the built-in search right inside your chat history. I'll walk you through getting to the right place, signing in, opening your full chat history, and using keywords to bring up exactly what you need. Start by opening your preferred web browser. Any modern browser works fine. In the address bar or your favorite search engine, type Claude AI and press Enter. You're looking for the official Claude site. Before you click, take a moment to confirm you're on the legitimate domain and that your browser shows a secure connection. This will help you avoid copycat pages and ensures your account stays protected. Click the correct result to open Claude. On the landing page, you'll see sign-in options. Choose Continue with Google or Continue with Email, depending on what you prefer to use for this account. If it's your first time, the site may guide you through a quick setup. If you've used Claude before, you'll be taken right into your workspace. Keep your login details private and make sure you're on a trusted device before proceeding. Once you're signed in, look to the left sidebar. This panel is your navigation hub. Click on the Chats menu to open your full conversation history. Give it a moment if you have a lot of past exchanges. It may take a second to populate. You'll see a scrollable list of your previous chats, typically with titles or the first line of each conversation, along with timestamps. This is where everything you've asked or explored is organized. At the top of this chat list, you'll find a search bar. Click into it and start typing keywords or phrases related to what you're trying to find. Aim for terms that would have appeared in that conversation, like a project name, a specific command you used, or a unique phrase you remember. The results usually update as you type, narrowing down to the most relevant chats. If your first query brings up too many results, refine it by adding more specific words. If you're coming up empty, try a different angle, like a synonym or a distinctive detail you discussed. When you spot the conversation you need, click it to open and pick up right where you left off. To start a fresh search, clear the query to reset the list. That's it. With the Chats menu and the search bar, you can jump straight to the information you need without wasting time. Thanks for watching, and happy searching.